Have you ever looked at your pet and wondered what they're truly thinking? What if, one day, every animal on Earth could speak our language? Not just barks or meows, but full, articulate human speech, expressing thoughts, feelings, and even opinions. This isn't just a fun thought experiment. It's a scenario that would fundamentally reshape our world, challenging everything we thought we knew about life on Earth. Imagine the immediate, widespread chaos. Your dog, Fido, might suddenly reveal all your embarrassing secrets to your family, leading to awkward dinner conversations. Your cat, Mittens, could loudly complain about the quality of her kibble, demanding gourmet salmon and a warmer sleeping spot. Beyond our homes, farm animals, from cows to chickens, would voice their grievances about living conditions, their diets, and their ultimate fate. The sheer volume of new voices, opinions, and demands would be overwhelming, creating an unprecedented global cacophony. Society would be plunged into an era of animal revelations, protests, and urgent demands for change. Beyond the initial shock and humor, the scientific implications would be absolutely staggering. Linguists would suddenly have millions of new languages to study, each with unique grammatical structures, vocabularies, and cultural histories. Imagine deciphering the complex dialects of a whale pod or the intricate communication of an ant colony. Biologists would gain direct, unfiltered insight into animal consciousness, their complex social structures, and their unique sensory perceptions. We could finally understand how bats navigate with echolocation, how birds coordinate their migrations, or how elephants mourn their dead. Our understanding of intelligence itself would be challenged and profoundly expanded, forcing us to rewrite textbooks across countless disciplines, from zoology to psychology. Then come the profound ethical dilemmas, perhaps the most challenging aspect. If animals can speak, do they automatically have the same rights as humans? The entire concept of animal agriculture would be thrown into immediate and intense question. Could we continue to consume meat if the animals themselves could articulate their suffering, their fear, and their desire to live? Zoos and circuses would face unprecedented scrutiny, as captive animals could openly express their desire for freedom and their longing for their natural habitats. Our legal systems would need to adapt rapidly, potentially granting personhood, legal representation, and fundamental rights to certain species. This monumental shift would force humanity to confront its moral responsibilities to the entire animal kingdom, redefining our place in the food chain and our relationship with other living beings. But it wouldn't all be conflict and crisis. Imagine the incredible opportunities for collaboration and understanding. Animals could become invaluable partners in scientific research, sharing ecological insights we could never discover alone. Birds could report on global weather patterns, environmental pollution, or impending natural disasters. Dogs and cats could offer even more profound emotional support, articulating their understanding, empathy, and unique perspectives on human behavior. New forms of communication and collaboration would emerge, fostering deeper, more meaningful bonds between humans and animals. Our relationship with nature would transform from one of often unilateral dominance to one of genuine, mutual partnership and respect. However, this new world would also present unforeseen challenges. How would we manage the sheer volume of animal populations if traditional methods of control were deemed unethical? Would some animals exploit their new ability for personal gain, perhaps demanding resources or even engaging in mischief? The potential for new conflicts, misunderstandings, and even the exploitation of animal intelligence for human purposes would be immense. We would need to navigate a complex new global society where every creature, from the smallest insect to the largest whale, has a voice and a claim. Ultimately, this hypothetical scenario forces us to reflect deeply on our place in the natural world. It challenges our anthropocentric views, pushing us to consider empathy on a truly universal scale. What would it truly mean to share our planet with billions of articulate, sentient beings, each with their own stories, desires, and perspectives? It's a journey through wonder, humor, and deep philosophical questions, reminding us that the greatest transformations often begin with a simple, yet profound, what if? Thanks for watching this ExplainoBee video about animal voices.